Welcome back everyone to another technical analysis, and we are back with LTC coin. Now, since last time not much has changed. Basically what we are seeing is still this big CME gap that was our major target on the smaller time frames and still is. So going to mark it as this zone here, going to let it be the most upper side, so the bullish CME gap. Now, this being said, we see also that since last time we checked the price was in this region, we had some kind of like an upside momentum, tried to go for a breakout but filled the CME gap as well pretty quickly. So as of now, going to even smaller time frames, and what we want to see is, let's check right now, pretty decent sell side movement. And as we can see, we had like here, this won't count, this one here, and here. So we had multiple sell side movements, so liquidity grabs, but eventually we had pretty quick recovery. So expecting a similar kind of movement on the LTC coin to happen right now on the hourly time frame. And going to set, actually not going to set anything, but let's say we see some kind of this moment here, so like that. Now, as soon as we see some sort of recovery, we are going to look for a proper market structure break on the 30-minute time frame. Going to quickly show what kind of market structure break we are going to look for. So we had a breakdown, then we had a breakout, so a trend switch, quick retest, then breakout structure and full upside movement. Expecting a similar movement here. So right now price is dipping, maybe we see some kind of like a sideways movement here, so going to mark it like this. Eventually we need to see a breakout and then a steep movement to the upper zone. So this is the first sign or the first signal for us. Then this is the final confirmation, which is the breakout structure, so BOS and not the middle one, right, this one here, and this is the MSB. So that's the game plan that we are looking for, some kind of reversal. If not here, then next like reversal area for us would be, let me get the triangle area. So if we don't see any kind of reverse to happen inside this zone here, the next area for us would be basically this zone here. And if we don't see here, then won't going to look for any kind of like a reversal on the 30-minute time frames. But either way, looking for some kind of movement here. To be honest, right now we had, so let's take 5-minute time frame. Right now we had a new hourly candle opening, and usually each time when we have a new hourly candle opening after we had this kind of like downside pressure, there is a high probability of seeing a reversal. So right now we see a fight is going on. First 5-minute candle of the hourly time frame, pretty bearish. So eventually that's it. There's not much more to say. Still looking for a potential MSB to form in this region. As soon as we get the MSB, we would set a target area for us in this zone here. So that will be the target zone. Going to mark it as green. And then of course the ideal entry on the bigger time frames would be this one here, filling the CME gap, going to let it slide here. And stop loss should be closer to the EMAs of the 4-hour time frame. I think they were somewhere, yep, so somewhere in this region. So risk and reward ratio in this case would be pretty good. Now we have a trade setup for the 30-minute time frame and trade setup for the 4-hour time frame. Both of them are bullish. So without keeping this video any more longer, that's it for today. As always, if you like this video, feel free to leave a comment and like, and see you in the next one.